Alright guys, so in a matter of minute I was able to create two new Gmail account without phone number verification, and I'm going to show you how I was able to do it. So if I want to keep on creating Gmail account without phone number verifications, I can still do it. But right there you're going to see me do it live, show you guys how you can create multiple Gmail account without any phone number verification. So you don't have to use your phone number verification in creating a new Gmail account. So watch out and watch to the very end and see how possible it was for me to create two new Gmail account without any phone number verification. And you can use the same method in creating more and more email or Gmail account without any phone number verifications. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so today's video I want to quickly show you how you can create multiple Gmail account on your mobile phone or on any of your devices without phone number verification. So what I can only just suggest you do is that you take actions immediately. So after watching this video, try it out and see if it does work, and if it doesn't, you can come back and tell me, and I'll think of other ways to help you guys creating multiple Gmail account without phone number verification. All right, so you want to click on this icon right here. All right, and once you click on it, okay, you want to go ahead and choose add another account right here on your Gmail app. Okay, right here on your Gmail app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add another account. All right, so once you've been able to add up another account, once we're able to click on that, you're going to be seeing that you'll be asked the question if you want to create your account on Google, Outlook, Yahoo, or Office 365 and others. So we want to create a Gmail account, right? I'm going to go ahead and click on Google. Okay, so once you do click on Google, let's see what happens next. So it's going to ask you, okay, it's asking for my pin. So I'm just going to log in into my device quickly. Okay. All right, so it's going to tell you it's checking for your information. So guys, please, I want you to follow every steps that I'm sharing with you right here in this video, right? Please just follow the exact steps that I'm walking you through so that you can as well create your own Gmail account without phone number verification, because I have been using Gmails now without any phone number verification, right? So please just follow me closely. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on create account. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose forward for my personal use or for my business. You can go with anyone, right? You can go with anyone, but for me, I love going with that of for my business, okay, because I want to use it for business. So I'm going to go with for my business, and the next thing I have to do now is just give it a random name. So let me just quickly give this a random name, maybe something like Allison. All right, I'm sorry if your name is Allison, you're watching this video, I'm really sorry for using your name, and I'm going to use Usman. Okay, and if your name is Usman also, I'm also so sorry. So let's go with Allison and Usman. So let's see what happens. All right, okay, so just go ahead and choose your birth month. Let me just quick put in something random. Let me use 28. Okay, and for the year, guys, you want to make sure you allow it be 1990 something. Right, don't put it on 2000, just make sure it is much more older. All right, then you want to go with gender, then you might just decide to choose your gender. So I can just go to female because it is Allison Usman. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, all right, so you can see we have we are being asked to choose our Gmail address, which one we want to make use of. So maybe I'm just going to go with the first one, which is allisonusman0@gmail.com. So I'm going to click on next, and let's see what happens next. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in our password, guys. So for me, I'm just going to put in something random. Allison, okay, Usman, and I'm going to just change this. I don't want you guys to see the password, so I'm just going to change this to something else. Okay, so I think I like this the way it is. All right, I think I like this the way it is. I'm going to click on next. Okay, let's see what happens next, guys. All right, guys, you can see no stress at all. You can see no stress at all. Just simple. It's very easy to create Gmail account without phone number verification. I don't know why so many people out there still find it difficult. You just can't sit on my phone right now that I just tried it out and it worked effortlessly without any stress. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, and let's see what happens next. All right, and that's it, guys. You can see, and that's just it, guys. That's just it. All I have to do right now is I just have to agree, right? I just have to agree to the terms and condition, privacy and everything that Google is actually displaying right here on my screen, guys. I don't know what other way to teach you guys how to do this, but probably if I get to see more other ways, I might decide to create more videos on that. But you can see how very easy it was for me to create my own Gmail account without putting a phone number verification. So just follow the same steps, and trust me, you will be able to create your own Gmail account without any phone number verification. So you can go ahead and keep on on repeating this process over and over and over and over again. So I think maybe I should create a new Gmail account. So that will be making it two for you guys to see how easy it is to create Gmail account without phone number verification. So I'm going to do that and create two multiple Gmail account, and you're going to see I'm not going to be using one number for any one of them, and I will be able to create a Gmail account. So let's just wait for this to get reviewed, and we should be having our Gmail account live. Okay, so let's just see. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, do you see it? So no stress at all. Boom, and that's it. We have our new. Okay, let me just open, guys. You can see it now. We have Alison Usman 0 Gmail account already opened. You can see, guys, no stress whatsoever. No stress, I mean, no stress whatsoever. So let me create a new one again, and so you guys get to see what I'm talking about, right? So I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to click on this icon right here. Okay, I'm going to click on add another account. So this is actually how I go in creating my own Gmail account without using phone number. So I'm going to go with Google. All right, very beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the same process. I'm going to put in my phone pin. Okay, just log in quickly. All right, so let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on create another account for my work and for my business. Okay, very simple. All right, so first name, I'm just going to go ahead and probably give this a name. Let's say Charles. That's my name, so I'm going to put in Charles here. And for the last name, let me just put in something that has to do with let's say Paul. All right, Charles Paul. If your name is Paul, I'm sorry. All right, Charles Paul. Okay, let's just carry on. Okay, so go ahead and fit in the birth month. I'm just going to use January for this. Day for January, I'm going to use 13th. All right, for the year, I'm going to backdate the year to 1998. All right, you can see that was actually what I did. So I don't know if this is the reason why Google is actually allowing me to create my Gmail account, but I don't know. But I just like it when I backdate the year. All right, it makes it look more unique and more good for Google, right? Okay, so gender, I'm going to go ahead and choosing I'm a male. So yeah, if you're something else, you can actually tell them that you are something else. But for me, I'm a guy, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose male. Okay, all right. Let's just see what happens again. All right. So they said, how will you want to sign into Google? Create a Gmail address for signing to your Google account. So let me see Charles Paul. All right. Let me see Charles Paul Owen. All right, Charles Paul Owen at gmail.com. So I think this is actually good, right? Let's click on next and let's see what happens. Okay, this has actually been taken already. So let me change this to OO word. Something like this is good, right? So let's see if it works. Okay, this is actually taking two as well. So let's change it to 092. All right, Charles Paul 0982. Charles Paul 0982, and I think that should not have been taken. Okay, so you can see create a new password, guys. So let me just put in something, put in my password. Sorry, Charles Paul. All right, so guys, if you actually get to see everything working right here, and you can see that no stress whatsoever and you're happy, please just smash the like button. All right, just appreciate me for doing this for you, right? So Charles Paul at, let me change this so you guys don't get to see the password, right? At one, oh sorry, I just said that. Okay, very good. Let's click on next. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, you can see, this is a second account and I am creating right here live on my phone, and you can see no issues whatsoever. No issue whatsoever. I'm going to click on next. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, you can see, guys, so this is actually the second time I'm going to be agreeing to Google's privacy and terms, right? So I'm going to click on agree. So I agree to this. I agree to this. All right. Okay. All right, I think something would happen right here. Let's just wait for this to get validated by Google. Come on, quickly. Come on. All right, so let's just hang on and let's see what happens. Right, they are trying to review the account. Okay, and here we have it, guys, and here we have it. We have the second email. You can see the second email created without any stress, guys, without any stress. So if I open this up right there, I'm just going to show you it. Guys, can you see that now? So you can see that we have that of Allison right here, and we have that of Charles Paul. All right, so guys, this is actually everything you need to know. All right, or how I was able to create 2 Gmail account on the go without phone number verification. I mean, without phone number verification. So just let me know what you think about this video, right? If you were able to create your own Gmail account without restrictions, let me know. And if you had restrictions, please still let me know, so I can still go out there and make further research, okay, on how you can go about creating your Gmail account without phone number verification. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please smash the like button. All right, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and drop me a comment, all right, telling me your status, if you were able to create it or you were not able to create it. Just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do well to shoot out another video on this particular topic. So thank you, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.